What's up guys, David here, and in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to factory unlock the iPhone 6s, which will allow you to use it on any GSM carrier worldwide. It is worth noting that this method also works with the iPhone 6s Plus and pretty much any other iPhone out there. Now, right up front, I want to let you know that this method isn't free. It does cost some money, but the money that you can potentially save on roaming charges and the resale value it adds back to your phone could make it well worth it. So the first thing you're going to want to do is turn off Find My iPhone, which you can do by going into the settings, then iCloud, then Find My iPhone, and then flip the switch to the off position. Once you've done that, go back to the home screen and open up the dialer, and dial *#06# to bring up your iPhone's IMEI number. Write this number down and make sure that you get it right as you're going to need it later. Next step is to go to unlockriver.com, where you'll actually be able to get that unlock code that your phone needs and just enter in your information. So in my case, the carrier is AT&T United States, but be sure to select whatever carrier your iPhone is actually locked to. Manufacturer is Apple. We're unlocking the iPhone 6s. And then we're going to enter in that IMEI number that we got earlier, making sure to double check that it's entered correctly. Finally, put in your valid email address, as this is where your unlock confirmation will be sent. So as you can see here, the unlock could take a while to process. For me, it was just a few hours, but in some rare cases, it can take up to a few business days. So be patient, and soon enough, you'll get an email that looks like this, telling you that your iPhone has been successfully unlocked. And from here, all you have to do is enter in an unaccepted SIM card. So basically any SIM card that isn't from the carrier that your phone is locked to. So in my case, since the phone was locked to AT&T, I'll enter in a Vodafone SIM card, and then all you have to do is connect the phone to Wi-Fi, and that's it. Your iPhone will be officially unlocked. If you don't have Wi-Fi available, you can always just connect your iPhone to iTunes, and that'll do the trick as well. But anyways, that is it for me in this video. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the very next episode.